Hi, I'm Gabrielle, and today we are standing in this magnificent penthouse at 200 Amsterdam on Manhattan's Upper West Side. This penthouse occupies the entire 49th and 50th floors, over 6,300 square feet, including 4 bedrooms and 4 ensuite bathrooms. The first thing you see when you enter the apartment is this sweeping view of Central Park, along with this magnificent New York skyline. So let's go outside and take a look. I always like to start this tour on this fantastic 116-foot terrace directly over Central Park, where you have these amazing unobstructed views, not only of Central Park, but the entire New York City skyline, every iconic building, and you can even see the Hudson River. And as much as I would like to stay out here and catch some sun, there's plenty more to see on the inside. This hallway mimics the terrace, connecting the south view to the north view, and now we will be heading into the living room. These 10-foot floor-to-ceiling windows on 3 exposures to the east, north, and west offer breathtaking views. With cocktail in hand and the city as your backdrop, you can watch the ships go up the Hudson River. And then you can take in the generous proportions of this living room. A blank canvas for your personal design, only limited by your imagination. Let's talk about this extravagant eat-in kitchen. This massive Calcutta island provides ample workspace, storage, and seating for 4. And it has all of the top appliances from Miele to Sub-Zero to Wolf. But what I love most about this kitchen is you can sit here and have coffee watching the sun rise and dinner watching the sunset. If you're feeling more formal, the dining room is right this way. Spacious enough to invite 12 guests for an impressive dinner overlooking the Statue of Liberty and the New York skyline. If you're a messy cook, you can close these glass sliding panels so no one is looking into your kitchen. Before we leave, let me point out the floors. This 200-year-old French white oak goes throughout all your entertaining spaces, which gives a touch of old world charm to this magnificent space. This beautiful staircase of glass, steel, and wood connect both floors of the penthouse. What makes this floor special is the primary suite, which has its own private wing, perched high above the city with 180-degree unobstructed views from these floor-to-ceiling windows. This is truly luxury city living. This spa-like ensuite bath features radiant heat floors, a marble and lacquer countertop with double sinks, a shower, and then this freestanding tub framed by the windows that overlook the Hudson River, again with magnificent sunset views. It's so nice that Roman Roy of Succession actually brushed his teeth in here, and he could brush his teeth anywhere. This is truly a one-of-a-kind penthouse. Thank you so much for joining me. See you soon.
If you thought this place was impressive, just wait. We've got so much more to show you. Like and subscribe, and you'll see more gorgeous places almost every day.